Good morning, Govinda sir, and all my dear friends. Today I am going to present on the topic consumer rights and protection of consumer rights. Contents are introduction of consumer, introduction about consumer health education, consumer rights, rights of the consumer, protection of consumer rights, prohibited activities. First, consumer. Consumer simply means a person who uses the goods and services available in market. Consumer uses or consumes various services like transportation, education, health, irrigation, forest, public land by paying or without paying. We all are consumers like humans. The consumers are different types of the consumers can be family, regional, rational as well as international. Consumer health education. It is an awareness education makes us knowledge about the issues related to the effect of the goods on our health. Protects consumer rights and duties. Assess of quality food. Knowledge of legal provisions. Consumer rights. Computer Consumer rights are generally a reference to a body of law that pertains to things the producers of goods must to protect customers from harm. The concept of consumer rights originated in United States in 15 March 1963 AD. Constitution of Nepal 2050 has protected rights of the consumer in Article 44. It has mentioned that every consumer shall have the right to obtain the quality goods and service. A person who has suffered injury from any substandard goods or service shall have the right to obtain compensation in accordance with the law. March 15 is celebrated as the International Consumer Day. Some rights of consumers are right to safety. They should have safe from selling harmful goods and services which have adverse effect on the body, life, health and property. Right to be informed. They should be informed about price, quality, quantity of manufacturing goods to be safe from unethical commercial activities. They should be right of choosing. They should be rights to choose best alternative goods and service for competitive price. Right to be heard from concerned authorities to the protection of consumer welfare and rights. Right to redress and compensation for exploitation and loss of consumers from the unethical commercial activities after hearing. They should have right of basic needs. They should get all basic needs such as households, water, education, etc. They should right to clean and healthy environment. They should have right to consumer education. Some protection of consumer rights are the act or law of giving rights to the consumer for getting goods without any harm and disturbance is called protection of consumer rights. Government of Nepal has implemented the Consumer Protection Act under 1998. They are consumers will protected from harmful goods and services. There should be label on manufacturing products such as expiry date, price, manufacture date, etc. There should be billing system. Shopkeepers should give the bill to the customer. While any problem occurs, they should raise the voice and in the name of evidence. Proper price. There should be proper price. We have to ask to government what should be the price of the products. Prohibited activities. Discourage of low quality food. We shouldn't sell low quality food in the name of high quality. Fake advertising. Producing goods which harm such as chemicals, foods and junk foods we do not have to sell which are prohibited in our state. Creating artificial shortage. Selling low quality goods on the name of quality goods. Selling expired goods. Thank you to all.